I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 chemistry objective past questions, and this is question number 7. And the question is, calcium and magnesium belong to the same group in the periodic table because both A are metals, B form caution, C form colorless salts, D have same number of valence electrons. Now the first thing you require to answer this question is the atomic number of calcium and magnesium respectively. So for calcium, the atomic number is 20, and for magnesium, atomic number 12. So once you have gotten once you've established the atomic numbers for both calcium and magnesium, the next will be to determine each electronic configuration, the electronic configuration of calcium and magnesium in the KLMNO format. So as you may know, the KLMNO format expresses the number of electrons in each shell of the atom. So for calcium, the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 8, 2. The reason is because the innermost shell, the K shell, can take a maximum of 2 electrons. So you have 2 electrons in the K shell. Then L, M, N can take 8 electrons, can take a maximum of 8 electrons, can each take a maximum of 8 electrons. So L for calcium takes 8, M takes 8, and then N, which is the outermost shell in the calcium atom, has 2 electrons. So for magnesium, the configuration will be 2, 8, 2. On the K shell, you have 2 electrons. On the L shell, you have 8, which is the maximum number you can take. And then for the outermost shell, which is the M shell for magnesium, it has just 2 electrons here. So you would notice that if you add the number of the numbers here, 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 is 20, which is the atomic number for calcium. So atomic number, as you may know, is also the number of electrons as well as number of protons, because an atom is neutrally charged, and magnesium, if you add the number here, 2 plus 8 plus 2, it will give you 12. So which is also the atomic number of magnesium. So once as you establish the atomic numbers of both calcium and magnesium, notice that we have both calcium and magnesium have 2 electrons on the outermost shell. Now these electrons on the outermost shell, the electrons on the outermost shell are what are known as the valence electrons. And these valence electrons are the ones that are involved in formation of chemical compounds, or generally involved in chemical reactions. So the number of valence electrons also tells us what group each element belongs to. So since both calcium and magnesium have 2 valence electrons, they belong to the same group. So the answer is D, as we have rightly established. So we can now see the reason why both calcium and magnesium belong to the same group, and that reason is because they both have the same number of valence electrons, or the same number of electrons on the outermost shell. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, for more videos and also for more past questions and answers. Thank you.